Today we are going to see what is circular pattern in SolidWorks. So let's see. I created this model and I will show you how to take the advantage of circular pattern. So this model I created, let's see. See, if you drop down the menu, here one circular pattern symbol, just click it. Now this window came, the parameter. Here this is pattern axis. You have to select the pattern axis as similar like linear pattern. But here you have to select any circular pattern or circular axis. Either you can choose this axis, this edge or this side face, anything. So let's select axis, let's select this. Clear? Okay, now first we will make circular pattern for this cutout. So either in feature pattern you can directly select cutout or it's up to you. The second option is here degree. This is total 360 degree. If you want to reduce, okay, you can do it. Keep equal spacing. If not equal, then you have to put dimension. So select equal spacing and select this cutout. See, we choose 6 numbers. If you reduce 5 numbers, then select OK. See, the 5 number of holes we created with the help of circular pattern. Again we will choose circular pattern. We will choose the axis, any axis, let's say this outer edge. We want 6 number of patterns and select this extruded body. We want 6 numbers, so it's going to be make 6 number, or if you want to increase 7 numbers, okay, select OK. See, this all extrude and cut out body we created with the help of circular pattern. If you want to change, just click it, go to edit feature. Here one more option, instances to skip. Now see, the symbols are looking, this pink color. If you will click it, simply it will off. See, it is invisible. Select OK. Now these two extruded bodies not available. So this is the basics of circular pattern. We will see further what is the advanced method of circular pattern.